Welcome to my HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about HTML links. Let's get started. First, we will see what are links. A web page contains various links which takes up to other web pages and also the specific parts of the same page. In HTML, links are called hyperlinks. We can click on these hyperlinks and we can jump to other documents. Let's see the syntax of HTML links. To create HTML links, we are using a tag, which is called anchor tag. In between the opening and closing tags, we have to give the link text, which is the text for the link. And to define the target link, we are using this href attribute. The href attribute is used to define the link destination. Let's see what is the use of target attribute. By default, the linked page will be opened in the current browser window. To change this behavior, we can use the target attribute. The target attribute defines where to display the linked document. Let's see the different values of target attribute. First one is self. This is the default value of the target attribute and it will open the document in the same browser window or tab. The second one is blank. It will open the linked document in the new browser window or tab. Third one is parent. It will open the linked document in the parent frame. The last one is top. It will open the document in the full body of the browser window. These are all the different target value attributes. Let's see this in action. To see the demo of HTML links, I have opened the folder Links in Visual Studio Code. Here I am having different HTML files and also I am having one more folder called images, which is having the image of a YouTube logo. First we will see how to create the simple HTML link. I am launching the HTML file links using live server. Here I have given the title as links in HTML. First we will create simple links in HTML. To create links, first I am adding a tag. And in between the opening and closing tags, I am adding link text as Google. To add link destination, I am adding href attribute with the value https://www.google.com. This is the link for Google. Let's save the file to see how it is displayed in the browser. In the browser, we can see the link with the Google link text. While clicking on this link, we will be navigating to the Google page. This is how we have to add simple links in HTML. Did you notice something? When you click on this link, the target page is getting opened in the same browser tab. To change this behavior, we have to use target attribute. Let's see how to do it. I am creating one more a tag with the text link as Google in new tab. And I am adding href attribute with the value https:// www.google.com. Now save the file, and when you click on this link, the Google page is getting opened in the same browser. To open the Google page in the new browser window, we have to add target attribute with the value underscore blank and save the file. Now you see the linked Google page is getting opened in the new browser tab. When you click on the first Google link, the Google page is opened in the same browser tab. And when you click on the second Google link, the Google page is opened in the new browser tab. This is the use of target attribute. This is how we have to create simple links in HTML. Now we will see how to create internal links in HTML. I am launching the HTML file internal links using live server. Here we have defined the title as internal links, and we have a paragraph element with the content internal links in HTML. Now we will see how to create internal links. Firstly, I am adding a paragraph element with the text main page and save the file. We could see the changes in the web browser. Let's create one more file called about.html. And in the about.html file, I am adding a paragraph element Here I am adding a paragraph element with the content about page. In the main page, I am creating a tag with the link text as open about page. To navigate to the about page from the main page, I am creating href attribute with the value as about.html. So when you click on this open about page link, it will be navigated and open the about.html page. See, the about page is getting displayed here. We can go back to the main page by using the backward button in the browser, but this is not a good practice. So go back to the main page from the about page. We can add one link in the about HTML page. In the about HTML page, I am creating a tag with the content back to main page. Now I am adding href attribute with the value internal links.html, which is our main page. Now save the file to see how it works. Initially, we are getting the main page. When I click on this open about page, we will be navigated to about page. In that page, we have the link to go back to the main page. By clicking this link, we can navigate back to the main page. This is how we have to create internal links in HTML. Till now, we have seen how to display internal links. Now we will see how to create links to navigate within the same page. For demo, I am launching the HTML file links in same page using live server. Here we have defined the title as links in same page, and we have added a paragraph element with the content links in same page. Let's start creating links in the same page. For that, I am creating heading 1 element with the content heading. Let's add one more h1 element with the content. Let's add another h1 element with the content conclusion. Let's save the file to see how it displays in the browser. Now I'm adding some dummy text in the paragraph element. Here I'm using lorem ipsum text. Let's copy and paste the same paragraph element for 3 times. And save the file. Let's do the same for the content heading element. For conclusion heading element also, I am doing the same thing. Now save the file and see how it displays in the browser. In the top, we have the contents related to the heading. If user wants to see the contents related to the conclusion, we have to scroll down to the last section. If this is a big project, then the scrolling thing will be quite annoying. To avoid this, we can create links that will be navigated within the same page. To create same page links, the first step is to create ID for each heading element. In the first h1 element, I am creating ID attribute with the value heading. In the second heading element, I am creating the ID attribute with the value content. And in the last heading element, I am creating the ID attribute with the value conclusion. For example, if you want to navigate to the conclusion part from the heading part, we have to create internal link by pointing to the ID of the conclusion part. So below the heading h1 element, I am creating a tag with the content go to conclusion. So for the href attribute, I am giving the ID of the last section, which is the conclusion. We have to provide the ID preceded with hash symbol. Let's save the file. When you click on this go to conclusion link, you will be navigated to the conclusion part. And now, if you want to navigate to the introduction section from the conclusion part, we have to create the link in the conclusion part. Below h1 element, I am creating a tag with the content go to introduction. Now in this a tag, we will point to the ID of the introduction section. So I am creating href attribute and I am giving the ID of the introduction preceded with hash symbol. Now save the file. In the browser, when you click on this go to introduction, you will be navigated to the heading part. Now, if you want to navigate to the conclusion part from the content part, we have to create the link in the content part by pointing to the ID of the conclusion part. So below H1 element, I am adding a tag with the text go to conclusion, and for href attribute, I am giving the value as hash conclusion. Now in the content section, we have the link. Till now we have seen how to create links within the same page. Now we will see how to create image links. Well, what is meant by image link? For the link, instead of the text, image will be displayed. Let's see this in action. For demo, I am launching the HTML file image links using live server. Here we have defined the title as image links and the paragraph element with the content image links. Here we will use the image of the YouTube logo which is placed in the folder called images. To create image links, we need to create a tag. Instead of the link text, we have to add image tag to insert an image. For the image tag, I'm adding source attribute with the value pointing to the YouTube logo image. Here, images and then youtube.png. Let's save the file and now we can see the image in the web browser. And for the a tag, I'm adding href attribute and I'm giving value as https://www.youtube.com. Now save the file and see how it is working in the browser. When I click on the YouTube logo image, we will be navigated to the YouTube link. This is how we have to create image links using HTML. Now we know what is an image link and how to create it. Now we will see how to create empty links. Well, empty links are the links which is empty or it contains no text. For demo, I am launching the HTML file empty links using live server. Here we have the title as empty link and the paragraph element content is also getting displayed. To create empty link, first I am adding the a tag with the content empty link. Now I am adding href attribute. For href attribute value, I am typing hash. Let's save the file. When you click on the empty link, we will not be navigated anywhere. So this is how we have to create empty links in HTML. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.